Hi, welcome to the Rescale platform. Today we are going to be running an EDA workload on GCP through the Rescale platform. The analysis that we are going to be doing is called as verification analysis. Verification is a key analysis and sometimes a bottleneck in the chip design process. Given today's massive gate counts and advanced nodes, verification has become very complex and time consuming. Any missteps could actually cost millions and require several respins to fix the issues. The only way to run enough verification is to leverage the infinite scale of the cloud to ensure first pass silicon success and minimize any functional errors. In this demo, we are going to be using one of the applications from Cadence called as Xcelium Logic Simulator. It works well in the cloud because it can run embarrassingly parallel jobs across multiple cores and nodes. So let's get started with the demo. In order to run an Xcelium job, let's click on the New Job tab. So here, I can give this job a name. I'm going to call it Cadence Demo on GCP. It is possible to attach input files from your local machine by uploading it directly. For this demonstration, I'm going to be adding files from my cloud storage. In order to do that, I can click on this Add button and I can select the files of interest. In this analysis, we are going to be running RTL and GLS analysis. So there are a total of 11 tests. And what we want to do is to analyze whether these tests pass or fail. So I have my input file. The next step is to pick the software. So here on the Rescale platform, there are close to 400 plus applications. In this case, let's pick the Cadence software, Cadence Xcelium. Once I pick the software, I can choose a version of interest. The next step is to modify the command line. So here, I'm going to copy the name of the sh file. This is a command to run Xcelium. When it comes to licensing, if you have your own license, so you can bring your own license to run the jobs on Dscale. For this demonstration, we are going to be using an on-demand license that is available to us. So I click this option. The next step is to pick the hardware. So here we are going to be using the C2 standard instance from GCP. The architecture of this instance is the Intel Cascade Lake and the memory per core is 8 gigabits with a 20 Gbps interconnect speed. It is possible to run the tests of this analysis in parallel on multiple cores. For this analysis, let's pick 8 cores. And once you pick 8 cores, you can also get the hardware summary on the left. So it gives you an idea about the total memory of the head node, the total ephemeral storage available, and the total cores that is selected for this analysis. The last step is the maximum job duration. You can consider this as a safety flag. This is to ensure that the job does not run more than 30 hours. So once we select these options, that's pretty much it. So we have our input file, we have our software and hardware. The post processing is purely optional. And with that, we are ready to launch this job. When a job is launched on the Rescale platform, we essentially go through four different steps. The first step is validating input, where we ensure that you have the correct command line, the budget, and the license to run this job. Once this step is passed, then we are going to stand up a cluster based on the number of cores that is requested, which is 8 cores in this case, run the application, and once the application is completed, we are going to terminate the cluster. All the four different steps are orchestrated on the platform automatically through the Rescale API. We can see that the job has started to run, and it is possible to take a look at the log file to understand what is going on with respect to the simulation process. So with that, I conclude this demo. I hope this video was helpful to understand how to run Cadence Xcelium on GCP. Thanks for watching.